Hello everyone. So I stumbled upon this question while solving, I think, a practice set of the SAT, and I thought that the solution to this question might be helpful to everyone. So it took me some time to really understand this question, and since we have time limit of around one minute, maybe 20 seconds at max. So the process in which I was doing took me around 2 to 2.5 minutes. So it was a long process, and I thought that, of course, this is not the short way to do it. And then after some time, I came across the shortcut method, I would say, and I think that's very simple. Doesn't even take around 30 seconds. So let's see. To solve this question, first you'll have to understand the question very well. So let's start. So a marine aquarium has a small and a large tank, each containing only red and blue fish. So let's make a figure to understand what this question is really saying. So there are two tanks inside. The figure might not be exactly what the question is demanding, but then for our ease, let's understand it that way. So that is the small tank, and this is the larger one. So the another one hint that the question is giving is, in each tank the ratio of red fish to blue fish is 3:4. So it's constant. So let's see, the ratio of red fish to blue fish is equal to 3:4. So here we have fishes, red and blue, and here as well fishes. So now the other ratio that we have is the ratio of fish in the large tank, and that to small tank is 46 to 5. So let's say large to small is 46 to 5. So what you have to understand while solving questions related to ratio and proportion is the actual meaning. So what it is saying here is, if there are 46 fishes in the large tank, then there must be around 5 fishes in the small tank. Not must be, around, exactly. So that is what the question is telling. So the first approach that I did was, try to make it use unitary methods. So what I did was find out how many fishes there would be if there is one fish in small tank. So I think around 9.2, and how many blue fishes there are if there are one red fish. If there is one red fish, it came out, I think, 1.33. So that was the long method. But then the short one would be, finding uh, wait, so the right one would be where you would find the total of this. Oh, okay, it was not what I had hoped for. Yes, see. So now let's read the question, the last part. So what it says is, what is the ratio of blue fish in the small tank? So what we need is blue fish in the small tank to red fish in the large tank. So the normal questions that we solve in ratio and proportion is like dealing with three ratios. If a is to b is this, b is to c is this, then find a is to b is to c, or things like that. But then this question involves not only two different ratios, but then it's not like a is to b and b is to c. It's different. You have to combine them. So while combining, what you have to understand is this. So you have to understand that, let's say, there are 7 total fishes, so in a tank, either it can be large or small, it's the same. So if there are 7 total fishes, then 3 are red and 4 are blue. So similarly, if you say that there are 51 fishes in, oh, this is for different, so that's a different case. So we have to understand this number 7 is very important. So that way you will solve using the number 7. So it is 3 over 7, that is the fraction of red one. So 3 is 3 by 7 of, what do we want? Red of large tank, red fish in large tank. So that means 3 of 7, 3 by 7 of 46 to 4 over 7 of 20. So this is the most important step If you get this, then the whole question is done. So you have to understand that 3 by 7 of 46 means the ratio, the bluefish in small tank, let's not say ratio is when you compare two things. Bluefish in small tank, the number of bluefish in small tank is this, and the number of redfish in large tank is this. Oh sorry, it's not 20, it is 5. Of course it's 5, yes, and 4 times 5 is 20. So let's go to next step, and then the final answer would be 3. Wait a minute. So the final answer, wait, so it's not easy using this, is it? So it is 3 times 46, so that would be around 138, yeah. 138 over 7 to 20 over 7. So this 7 cancels this 7, and then 138 is to 20 is equal to 69 over 10. That's what I think. But then the question asked us to find bluefish, ratio of bluefish in small tank. So this is for bluefish in small tank, and this is for redfish in large tank. So we found exactly the opposite. So the real answer would be exactly the opposite, and that is 10 is to 69. So there you go. This is the final answer. It's very easy. If you go and use the unitary method, and then do find for one small fish how many blue red large fish is there, so that gets complicated. So this is the best way that I've learned, and I hope you learned how to do this. The video got lengthy even though the process is really short. I wanted to explain it to you in depth, so I hope you understood how to do this, and hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.